after-school lunch from 1987.
I really missed you. We're so glad you're back.
What are we having? Well, obviously, we're having grilled cheese. Ba-da-da-dun-dun. But fun quick twist, because I was a hungry boy, so I like to make a triple layer grilled cheese. So that's 3 pieces of white bread. Because this isn't a recipe, this is a time machine made with butter. Butter. So we got our cheese. It's not Kraft, but it's American single. So as good as we can go there. I like it cheesy. We didn't just call it Tuesday. We didn't call it comfort food. We called it Tuesday. I don't know. The best part of making these is literally peeling the cheese. Am I wrong? You know, after all day being at school and eating the French fries with ranch and the pizza with ranch, there's nothing better than coming home and making a fresh grilled cheese. Am I wrong?
Get on board on the Great Space Coaster.
All right. That's our big boy. And the best part, butter. Now you want to make sure that you get a lot of butter in there. Because butter makes everything butter. You know what I'm saying? And then, Super Sims, we're just going to go throw it in the pan over here.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
What grilled cheese wouldn't be complete without some Campbell's soup? Am I wrong? I don't have any fish crackers. That makes me sad too. If you don't know how to make it, the instructions are on the back. And there we have it, tomato soup. Check on grilled cheese. All right, and there she is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And Mom never asked if you wanted crust. Crust was in the deal. And you must, absolutely must, cut a grilled cheese diagonally. Diagonally. It's the only way. Here we go. Oh yeah. That is...
It's very special.
Scrumdiddly-umptious. Let's go. Mmm. 1987 tastes delicious.
Sure. And the moon is made out of green cheese.
That's right! The moon is made out of green cheese!
Rock and roll. It's so simple. It's so classic. And it's always just, you know, warms your heart. Bon appetit. Just like Mama's.
They're not mine.
Well, that's about it, except for... Order up.